Hello, Southern Tennessee Mom. A big shout out from Tennessee. Today we're going to make French toast. So I've got a couple of eggs here. I've already made some French toast, but I've got a couple of eggs here. Okay, then I'm going to add some vanilla extract. I'm going to add about 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I have some cinnamon sugar. Now you can just put in regular cinnamon, but I'm going to add cinnamon sugar, and I'm going to do probably about 1/2 teaspoon of that. Mix this together. I have a special video planned for January the 28th, so stay tuned and watch it on January the 28th. You can use regular milk, 1%, 2%, 4%, which is whole milk or skim milk. I'm going to actually use liquid coffee creamer. I'm going to put 1/4 cup of coffee creamer in here and mix it up really well. Okay, once you have it all mixed up really well, then you're going to take, I'm going to turn my eye on medium heat. Now you can use butter, but I'm just using cooking spray. Spray your pan really well. Now I've got regular light bread or white bread, whatever you want to call it. But you can use French bread if you want, and you want to just take your bread, put it in there, and flip it and get it coverage on both sides, and then just kind of put it in the pan. Yeah, from this side so you see better. You do have to do this fairly quickly because it will tear on you with. I'm just going to let that cook. I want it to brown good on both sides. I'm going to make sure the middle is done. There's nothing worse than getting French toast and the middle be soggy still. That's not good. So, I'm going to let it brown really well on one side, and then we'll flip it. Okay, it's been cooking on one side for a couple minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and flip it. Flip these on the other side, and they're golden brown, so they're done. You can add powdered sugar, syrup, butter to these, and they make a great breakfast meal.